Hey guys, it's Dan here, and today we're going to be making another woodworking build. And as you can see here, it's got two beautiful woods on it. The top is chechen and the side's maple. It has a cord coming out of the bottom, so it's also an electronics project. Pretty simple one, don't worry. There's also a switch on the back. So this is actually a wireless charger for my phone, and when I put my phone on top, it makes it so that it charges my phone up. Let's get into the build. So what I have here is a piece of plexiglass with magnets taped on the bottom side to match up with spots on my phone, and it locks it in place loosely just so it sort of lays in place of this tape border that I have right here. So it locks like right there, and this circle marks the spot where the wireless charger is going to sit. So this is a template. I'm going to drill these holes out, take you down to the drill press to do that. Alright, so we have the plexiglass here. I'm going to take the magnets off and start drilling on the holes that I marked with some silver Sharpie. Yep, those holes will help me line up the wood on both sides. Since I can flip it over, I can do top and bottom holes for magnets. Perfect match. Awesome. So now we have some holes going most of the way through, so the magnets will be stronger and attach to the phone better. I'm going to draw the circle on here and try to do the same thing with some bigger bits, and then use a chisel to chisel it out, and we'll get to it. Oh, that's perfect. Alright, so we have a wire and the USB that's going to plug into this. It's going to plug in like that, going here, and I'm going to have a switch here. This switch isn't to turn it on and off, it's just to reset it in case the charging port thinks that the phone's fully charged, even though this isn't a phone, because this didn't come with an actual charger in it. I'm using an old one from a phone. So this is just a bypass to make it so it works. And I'm just going to do that to the hotline, have grounds connected to grounds, green to green, white to white, and red to the switch. So let's start there. This is a push button that's normally closed. So when you do this, it opens the circuit. Just bear with me with this really crappy soldering iron. We're going to test to see if it still works, and after everything works, I'm going to show you how I'm going to put a finish on this. As you can see, I also took a file and chamfered each edge, so that way when you have the two flat pieces against here, there's going to be a nice contrasting line, so it like draws attention to the line, but it also doesn't make it look like it's bad. Yeah, so let's get to testing it. Alright, so now that all the wires are in, I'm going to put hot glue in some key places as to act as strain relief. That's going to be it. So I'm going to package everything up, put on the finish, and we're done. Alright, so here it is, all finished. The magnets hold it together, but they also hold the phone
roughly in the right spot for it to charge. Once I get my other camera to record this, I'll show you my phone charging on it. That's it. It's some really nice maple, some chechen on top, some beveled edges, push button to reset it in case it stops charging, and a cord coming out the back. That's charging. And that's how it snaps to the right spot. Slide it there and it goes shoop. So that's where it charges at. Catches it right in the middle.
All right, look at that. Beautiful wood grain. Hey, thanks again for watching this video, guys. If you liked it, please give it a like. Leave a comment below on something else you want to see me build, or on something that you would like to talk about with this. If you like this video, you might like one of my other videos, one over here, where I make other stuff. It could be foam, it could be wood, it could be plastic. So we'll see you next time.